Welcome to all. Next, I'm going to teach about the shapes. So, how can you draw the shapes? So, whenever you are selecting any shapes, you can see the properties panel is option panel is changing on the top. And once you select the drawing, you can click and drag. You can draw. This is the one way. And deleting again, click and drag. You can see height and width automatically. You can see here. So I am drawing here. It is a fill color is here. It is blue. How can you select the fill color? On the option bar, you can select any custom color from here. So I am selecting green. Automatically, the green comes here. Then I am drawing it. Sorry, I am drawing. It is coming here. This is a one way fill color is coming. Okay. The next step. How can you draw that? You can just click here. So you can give width and height. Then okay. So it will be drawing things here. And you can also give the strokes. How can you give the stroke here? Here also you can select stroke is a 1 pixel. Usually you'll give, if you want to give more pixel, you can give the more pixel also. If I selected that way, it is increased. So if I am clicking here again, if I'm okay, I'm control Z, I'm deselecting all the layers, means selection. Then I am clicking the shapes. Then I'm increasing the size of the border. Usually maximum people use 1 or 2. So then I am drawing. So you can see that the border color is here. And here another way, if you double click here, you can change the fill color from here. From the layers panel, you just double click it, you can change the fill color here. And you can also change the fill color in the properties panel. Shapes, whenever you select any shape, so you can select these shapes, the properties will change. You can select this color. Select and select. Here also you can change the stroke. And you can also change the stroke color also. So stroke is there is no much use, but still if you want something, you need to understand that you can do from the properties panel and here. Okay, so now I am deleting everything. Control minus selection is here. I am deleting all the things. Control minus minus. Now what I am going to do means, so I am drawing a shape. So now you can see the 4 corners are here. So now I can reduce this corner radius. You can reduce it like this. Whatever the size is required, you can. This is most commonly used feature. You can reduce the corner. And another thing is you can control the corner radius is a 90. If you want only 70, you can give 70. So 470 is 70. If you want only 20, you can give 20 here. Okay, now I want corner only in the bottom. So I'm corner radius I'm giving here. It's 50 because why it is working 4 corner, this chain button I open. So if I want only the corner radius only in the top, bottom I don't want, then what do you need to remove the chain and come down here. Sorry, not there. Sorry. Below you remove the chain. I need corner 0. Corner radius is 0. And top I am little bit big, 40 by 40. So now you see, you must have seen some of these buttons in designs. So this is a way we can do that. That is another way. Okay, next, whenever you are doing the drawing, you always select the align edges. Otherwise, there will be unrealized edges will be there. Always you put the align edges, then you check it on that. So edges will be very correct. So then only anti-aliased pixels would not be there. This is you must check while doing it. Then another thing I am going to talk about, if you want to draw a rectangle's aspect ratio is correct, you need to press shift. So it will be aspect ratio will be correct. If you want to draw the circle also, you can do that. Aspect ratio need to be correct. And another thing is, if you want to click here, there is an option called draw from the center. So I am putting 300 to 300, then draw from center. It expands from the center. And if you are drawing also, draw from the center. Earlier it was drawing from the left. You can see that. Okay. So that is a one case. You need to must understand that. Draw from where you are doing that, where you are selecting that, you just go to click here, draw from center. I am removing that, then I am drawing again. It will draw again. Okay. So if I am selecting this, then I click. It comes here. Again, I am clicking, click and drag. You can now also it is drawing from center. So what you need to do, you need to deselect this. Okay. Now you start drawing. You can draw from the left. So this is a one option. Again, what I talked again, if you want, you can create this. You want to change the corner radius, click here, you can change the corner radius. In the properties panel also, you can change the corner radius on that. And the chain link you remove, that will be. And whenever you are doing very pixel by pixel design, you know that in mobile design, you need to do pixel by design. What we'll do, people will, I want a horizontal bar here. So I'll put a horizontal bar. So next, I want one button from the left side, 50 pixel away from the left and right. So here also there is an option from the X and Y. X we can give 50 pixels and Y we can give 100 pixels. So what is an advantage for this? This is an advantage for somebody is designing the mobile or anything. They can easily, precisely, they can put each and everything on here. So wherever they want exactly, they can do that. That's why this X and Y position is here. And here also you can rotate option is there. Whatever the option you can rotate, I want to rotate only 90. You can rotate 90. And usually when I will do some of the buttons like this, you must have seen this type of buttons in web or mobile. So we'll put, then we'll do alt and drag, we'll do. So alt and drag, what will happen? Get a new copy. Then we'll do like this. So we'll rotate here. So what is the tool here? This one. And if you want to again copy here and you want to rotate 90, you can see that. See, people will use this type of buttons. Then people will do some layer style and drop shadow. It does look good. I just do that. You must have seen this type of buttons. I cancel it. So this is we can easily use it. So I clearly explained about how can you do that. You can click, just select the button, whichever the object you want. You can just click it. You can give height and width. The chain, you can radius. You can also give. If it is a chain is selected, it will affect all the places. If it is not selected, then you can each and customize only two corners or three corners or only one corner. You can do that. If you sender, if you draw from the sender, in the properties panel, you can here we can again same thing is there, and you can add and select here. In the option panels, whenever you are saying here, you can put the fill color. Here you can stroke width and height also here, and these selections I will explain. I also mentioned about the align edges. This is very important whenever you will not get a sharp things. Thank you for watching. Please practice it.